going on a long-haul flight with 5 children, and it is on economy class. Na-experience ko po yan, and I hope that you can learn from what I have experienced. Number 1 tip is you need to wear comfortable clothes. Kasi long-haul flights last more than 8 hours. Our trip was 14 hours long, so it's really a long flight. So I really encourage you to let everybody wear comfortable clothes. I wore loose pants, and also for my children, yun din po yung ginamit nila or sinuot nila. Number 2, wear comfortable shoes. All my children wore Crocs because pwede siyang maging slippers na rin. And they can take it off anytime they want. But just make sure that you bring extra pair of socks just in case na maging very cold yung temperature ng plane. At least they have a socks to put on. Number 3, you have to bring extra food or snacks. As in, I cannot overemphasize that because you know, the preference of our children. They might not like what is being served in the plane na mga food. And also, during the long-haul flight, you will never know what time your children will get hungry. And yung pinaka-importante talaga, they might not like the food. So at least you have food in your bag. Because there's nothing that you can buy inside the plane. So better be prepared. Number 4, have activities that is preferred by your children. If you need to bring gadgets or a coloring book or anything, scrapbook, a drawing book that your children can do during the long hour flight, I hope that you will do that. And you don't have to worry about bringing gadgets kasi lahat ng big planes ngayon are have USB ready ports. But make sure to bring a USB charger. A lot of our chargers right now are C-type, so better bring a USB one. And number 5 is you have to bring extra clothes because, diba, emergency might happen. You might spill your juice, your water, your coffee, or magiging dirty or messy kasi yung tray table is very small inside the plane. So if you have kids, you will, it's unavoidable na magiging messy or dirty siya. So you bring extra clothes talaga. Even for myself, I bring extra clothes, and buti na lang I did because I spilled my coffee. Biglang nag-turbulence. So coffee spilled on my top. And the last but not least is very important that we have to encourage our children to go to the toilet even if they don't need to. There will be a lot of people and konti lang naman yung toilet sa airline or sa aircraft, diba? So when I check the line, if wala nang line yung mga toilets, I really tell my children to just go to the toilet. And sasabihin nila na, oh, I don't need to pee, mom. But, you know, it is better to be prepared kesa naman na if they need to go to the toilet, the line is already very long. And you cannot just tell people na, excuse me, I need my child to go to the toilet first. Diba? It's pretty unfair. So that's one thing that I really learned during our flight. Overall, I didn't have any problems with any of my children. I hope this helps. Share and follow for more travel tips.